Most people believe being good is sufficient. They are honest. They mean well. They avoid obvious harm, and yet their lives remain fragile. Goodness by itself does not create stability. It creates intention. Intention is not outcome. A man can be good and still be ineffective. A society can be well-meaning and still collapse. A believer can be sincere and still be misaligned. Goodness describes desire. It does not describe structure. This is where the confusion begins. We treat morality as a substitute for competence. We assume that if someone is kind, things will work out. But reality does not reward character alone. It rewards alignment with its laws. A bridge does not stand because the engineer is good. It stands because the structure is correct. Good intentions do not override physics. They do not override economics. They do not override time. This is why good people often suffer confusion. They feel betrayed by life. They did what was right. They followed their conscience, and still things fell apart. Not because goodness failed, but because goodness was asked to do a job it cannot do. Being good does not teach you how to build. It does not teach you how to lead. It does not teach you how to endure pressure. These require discipline. They require skill. They require correction. Correction is the point where most good people resist. They interpret feedback as hostility. They see standards as cruelty. They experience limits as injustice. But limits are instructional. They show you what reality permits and what it does not. A man who refuses correction to preserve his self-image will remain good and small. A society that avoids standards to protect feelings will remain kind and weak. Even spiritually, goodness can mislead. Many confuse moral sincerity with obedience. They believe God rewards intention above alignment. But intention without submission is not faith. It is preference. Scripture is filled with people who meant well and still acted wrongly. Goodness without wisdom becomes impulse. Goodness without discipline becomes chaos. This is the quiet truth. Goodness is the starting line, not the finish. It qualifies you to begin. It does not carry you through. What carries you is structure. What sustains you is principle. What stabilizes you is alignment. When goodness is guided by truth, it becomes powerful. When it stands alone, it becomes fragile. Do not abandon goodness. Anchor it. This is Silent Principles.